Hi, this is Majid from Lyra Zone Sinjanbarat. Today I am gonna show you how to get the cash sales listing in SQL Accounting Enterprise. You have to go to Sales and Reports, Print Sales Document Listing. Select here Cash Sales Listing. Select your desired date of range of date. Then select your document number from here. If you have so many documents, so you just click on this browse button, then click under the document column and type the respective number. Like you see, when I completed the document number, it came here on the number directly. Then I select this document and this document. Okay, then apply. Now all the documents are here. Then take a print preview. There are different formats of the reports, so I am taking the first one. Here the summary of the cash sales listing. If you want to see the details of the invoices, just click on this button. You can see here the detail of the invoices. Then click on this button and export to PDF file. Give the file name and the location, then save. Here you can see you got the report and of cash sales listing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.